Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove duplicates in Excel in just a few seconds. This is a very common task when cleaning data and Excel makes it super easy. First open your Excel sheet with the data. Select the range where you think duplicates exist. For example, let's say we have a list of names and some names are repeated. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon, click on Remove Duplicates. A small box will appear. If your data has headers, make sure to check the box My data has headers. Select the columns where you want to check duplicates. For example, if you only want to check names, select the Name column. Click OK. Excel will instantly remove all duplicate values and show you a message telling how many duplicates were removed and how many unique values remain. Sometimes you don't want to remove duplicates, but just highlight them. Here's a quick tip. Select your data, go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, highlight cells rules, duplicate values. Choose a color and click OK. Now all duplicate values will be highlighted, so you can review them before deleting. And that's it. This is how you can easily remove duplicates in Excel in seconds, or highlight them if you prefer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.